Hi, I'm Revati Radhakrishnan, the founder of Vanavil Trust. We work for the education and empowerment of nomadic tribal communities. It was 2005. I was a filmmaker and journalist visiting the port town of Nagapatnam, which was one of the worst affected areas in the devastating 2004 Asian tsunami. I was having chai with my friends in Nagapatnam bus stand, and a young girl with an extremely thin infant came to beg to us. That infant was Lakshmi. I had never seen a child so malnourished in my life. We asked a few questions and they quietly trailed away. I followed them, and that journey is Vanavil. Lakshmi belongs to the Bumbu Matakarar community, one of the many nomadic tribes who live in India. The nomadic tribes are as erstwhile musicians, performers, livestock keepers, transporters, acrobats, soothsayers, and much more, but all reduced today to extreme marginalization, homelessness, and poverty. What you see is the startling number of nomads who cannot even read the board of a bus or their own Aadhaar card. The literacy rate of the nomadic tribes is less than that of the people of Somalia. There are 200,000 children like Lakshmi in Tamil Nadu alone. Most of them are out of school due to lack of documents, and those who go face segregation, abusive slurs, and discrimination. We started feeding the children, but they were still going to beg. We tried to put them into school, but they could not withstand the abuse. With our learnings and many dialogues with the community, we decided that education will be the weapon for creating sustainable change. So we started Vanavil, which means rainbow in Tamil, as an effort to give an opportunity for other children in the community a chance at life. We started the first Vanavil school in 2005 in Nagapattinam, a school where every child will be accepted, where learning will be a joyous experience and nutritious food would be provided. Vanavil solution is a holistic approach at education. Alongside running a school which imparts inclusive education in an empathetic manner, we also run programs that work for preventing child labor and child marriage and child begging, creating livelihoods for the mothers, providing health care, curbing malnutrition, and a higher education scholarship for the nomadic children. In 18 years, our committed and passionate team has proved that if addressed holistically and empathetically, we can break the barriers of generational poverty and caste stigma. In 2005, when we started Vanavil, there was not a single graduate from the community. Today, I'm happy to share that Vanavil supports 140 students in various colleges in Tamil Nadu. We have rescued more than 1,000 children from the clutches of child begging, and as of this moment, are supporting the education of 1,500 nomadic tribal children. Meet some stars of Vanavil. Devi, who's a nurse, Anjamal, who's training to be a paramedic, Meena, who works in a television channel, Bhuvaneshwari, who's become a social worker, Selvarani, a textile designer, and Mohanambal, who's training to become a dentist. All this is just addressing 1% of the problem. We need everyone from the civil society, corporate sector, government, and philanthropy to come together and act. Act immediately so that these 8 indigenous people of our nation, our fellow citizens, can access education and live a life of dignity. We're seeking your support for our education project in 5 districts of Tamil Nadu and to scale our reach to another 5 districts. Going back to Lakshmi, my quest to save her 18 years ago came to a very disturbing end within 3 months. Unfortunately, Lakshmi passed away, unable to fight the acute malnutrition she was born into. But I would like to share the story of another child I met around the same time. She joined Vanavil School as a 12-year-old, studied hard, cleared exams, graduated in economics. She was the first graduate of our community and our school. She chose to become a teacher and she works as one now. Coincidentally, her name is also Lakshmi. you can change the lives of many Lakshmis in this community. Please extend your unconditional and generous support for their education and well-being. Thank you.